Hello, if you want to block a number on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then what you can do is open the phone app. And now if you have this phone number saved in contacts, then you can go to that contact, so tap it and then press this gray eye icon. Now at the bottom, tap more and then choose to block it over here and then confirm. In addition to that, you can also go to recent, and in recent contacts, of course, you will find every phone number that tried to reach you. If you want to block a number, then you can tap on the recent information, then tap on these three lines with the gray icon, and at the bottom you will have the option to block the number as well, and it looks like this. In addition to that, if you have a phone number that wasn't trying to reach you and you don't have it saved in contacts, but you still want to block it, then you can press these three dots in the top right corner. It might be also located somewhere closer to the middle of the screen, and then go to settings. Then in the settings you will find block numbers, and over here you can enter a phone number that you wish to block, and then press this plus button on the right side. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!